It is December here in Texas, zone 8B, and I plant a couple bok choy, and bok choy love this kind of weather. You know, in case you're wondering, what can I plant in this time of year? You can plant bok choy. So now I'm going to transfer. Because it's too crowded in here. So I'm gonna transfer out some of these. You can see bok choy. So in no time, I'll have bok choy to eat. So what I do is normally I put some bone meal for the roots because I disturb the root. So I put a little on there and plant it back. They be busy eating up what I just put inside there instead of worrying about root shock. So bok choy, you can plant bok choy. Bok choy love this kind of weather. Some people call it pop choy. Bok choy, pop choy. You have the baby one and you have the big ones. So I'm planting one per container. Oops. So I could harvest. And of course, when you plant, you want to make sure you press it down to alleviate any hair pocket. And then you have to water it. So here we go. Bok choy number 2. This one has 2 here, a baby one. I'm gonna put the baby one in first. And of course, you could do 2 per pot. If you don't have enough pots, you could do 2 per pot. Actually, I could do 2 per this pot. Put one on this end here, and one on this end. And you see, I put some bone meal on there for the deeper roots. And when you're planting, make sure you press it down so you remove all air pockets.